Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyong Rim. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt shakmat bercedian, blind view monitor, bagi kiway. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam, tak sao point riulak. Just wow.
Ke Sorkar Jilla kan salum Jingïalang iki Tnat Treikam bapher haka bakut uni Bnai nailar. Banya thirsani haka bayadai bat kamat kabala sa pongding ban pin kenria ya ki briu ki basa harijan koloni na them yau maulong. Layathu sembut menteri rangba ke Jilla ubakhmi ya Tnat pin raisar uba sniau bahlang Dhar. Uba Dhar ulayathu balap tha ya ki officer bakin pha ya ki kaiphan shwa ban lum ya ki Jingïalang. Kentobru ya kakai pot na ka Sorkar, bat na ka Tnat defense. Kenang banwad ya ki lat kilenti, banweng ya ka Jing'e bala sa teng da kisnam.
The status for that, we already plan to have meetings maybe last week of the month. I already coordinate with my officer, with my department to get update all the latest report from different part of the department and from the defense everything. We'll be having a meeting on the location of the thing in the last part of August. Only between the department first and then we will call the people from that camps. Collect all the report in details, the reports within the departments and the report between the departments and the Harijan colony and the report between the Harijan, the governments and the defense land and be able to know. So I told him be ready everything. So last part of this August we'll be having meeting about this issue. It's long pending, of course, so that's why we are trying. But since long pending issue is not so easy to say immediately, but we are trying our best to solve it.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha upod usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki jila ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category but ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin Bnai ya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant. Hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ya ka khubor balapau perthai. Ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya benta lang hinre ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher. Din na kata ka daw kini artali ki jala menta kis dang pen krea bentau ya ka joint action plan.